Thank you for joining us on this special edition of Your City in 5. I'm Ricky Saillas. The novel coronavirus 2019, also known as COVID-19, is having a major impact here in El Paso. The city is taking proactive measures to reduce the spread of the virus. Here is what you should know when it comes to this public health emergency. The Department of Public Health has confirmed several COVID-19 cases in our region. The city issued and extended a local state of emergency that provides state and federal help to El Paso. The Office of Emergency Management, along with the Department of Public Health, are working around the clock, monitoring the situation, gathering information, and educating the public. Now, a major push to reduce the spread of the virus. Everyone is encouraged to practice social distancing, avoid get-togethers, especially those with more than 10 people, and continue proper hand washing, covering coughs and sneezes, and staying home if you're sick. City leaders have made tough decisions to flatten the curve of the COVID-19 pandemic. At the recommendation of Public Health Authority Dr. Hector Ocaranza, City Council decided to close all bars, taverns, and private clubs through April 1st. Restrictions also in place at restaurants. The measures seem strict, but city health officials say they're necessary for public safety.
Closing some establishments like the bars is going to help us to ensure that we're going to have enough social distancing. What does that mean for everybody? That means that if we're going to be together with other person in the same place at the same time, we have more chances of spreading the disease when somebody sick comes to that establishment.
The city closed all recreation centers, city pools, city museums, library branches, and the El Paso Zoo. The Animal Services Shelter also closed until further notice. Most of these departments have activities online and on their social media sites. Seniors are the most vulnerable to COVID-19. Knowing that, senior centers remain closed, but meals are available for senior residents through curbside pickup every Tuesday at all senior centers. On the first day of distribution, nearly 600 boxes of food were given to seniors on a one-time basis. Distribution of meals will continue every week. The City of El Paso also looking out for city employees. City Manager Tommy Gonzalez and City Representative Peter Swarzbein recently traveled outside of the region. Following CDC guidelines, they participated in a council meeting by video conferencing from home. A number of city employees are now working from home due to COVID-19. Video conferencing allows workers to continue to meet and get city business done. Again, the measures are being used to reduce the spread of the virus. The virus may not be serious to you, but it can be deadly for others, and that's why it's important to stay informed. All the information shared by the City of El Paso is available online at ELPASOTEXAS.GOV. It includes cancellations, notices, announcements, and news releases. Resources like prevention tips and videos are all posted. Just click on the COVID-19 information and status banner at ELPASOTEXAS.GOV. The city's social media sites that you see on your screen are also serving as an information outlet. Make sure to visit these sites regularly to stay informed. We now turn to some quick headlines happening in the city of El Paso. While you're home, now is a great time to fill out the census form that you received in the mail. The 9-question survey is simple and short. It can also be done online or over the phone. You can also give suggestions on how the City of El Paso should spend your tax money. Fill out the Chime In survey at ELPASOTEXAS.GOV. The survey will give the city an idea of what's important to El Pasoans. Sun Metro received more than $28 million from the Federal Transit Administration for the Brio system on Montana. The federal grant is helping to pay for the rapid transit system that will connect bus riders from downtown to the east side. The National Civic League announced that the City of El Paso is a finalist for the 2020 All-America City Award. El Paso will compete against other cities to earn the prestigious recognition. You can get up-to-date information on COVID-19 here in El Paso by visiting our website, ELPASOTEXAS.GOV. That information is also posted on our social media platforms. For Jonathan Romo, who's behind the camera, and all of the hardworking staff here at the Emergency Response Center, I'm Ricky Saillas. We'll see you next time on Your City in 5.